Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these dolly braids. Let's get started. You can either braid your hair with your afro or you can blow dry it. I'm going to blow dry my hair because it's much easier, and I'm using a different extension which I've never used before, so I don't really know what it's like. So I blow dry in section. Normally I use comb to blow dry rather than using my hand, but here I'm kind of slightly stretching my hair out and drying it. Also, don't forget to use a heat protecting spray to protect your hair from heat. That's me done. It's not fully straightened out, but this is okay for me. I got sent a pair package and it's from Rook Hair. I'll be using the extension today. I got sent 4 extensions and they added a serum as well. Thank you, Ruka. Ruka Hair is developed by black scientists. It's not like other synthetic hair. It's made from collagen protein, which is already present in our natural hair. It's hypoallergenic. That means you will not be getting any allergic reaction from it, and it's itchy free and it's biodegradable. The hair comes pre-stretched, and it's advised that we go to a hairdresser to braid it, just in case we're not used to braiding with this braiding hair. I'm going to braid it myself. I went to the store in Selfridges in London, and I got advice and I was told that the hair can be really silky, so it's best for me to tie it after braiding it, which I'm going to do. To braid, you take a small amount of extension you need, you split it in 2, cross it over, section a small part of your hair. I like my hair really full, so I'm going to be parting my hair quite small. Then attach the extension to your hair and braid it. If you want to know how to braid a hair, check out my previous video where I showed you step by step how to. So I want my braid quite short and kind of touching my chin, so I'm going to tie it to my desired length. As per usual, I'll be binging on Korean drama while I do my hair. Hey cuties, this is the second day and this is the update. This is how far I've gone. Honestly, I should have been there by now, but your girl was distracted by Korean drama. The extension actually is not that hard to use, I can't lie. With this extension, you have to have a good grip of the extension, but with the other impression and expression of face, I didn't really have to. And it feels really soft. And if it tangles, I can easily comb it, which is one thing I like. But today I want to finish this part. After this braids, I would like to give my hair a good rest from braids because I feel like it's putting tension on my hair, and look, my edges is literally disappearing and I don't like that. I need to take care of my hair a bit more. Update is 1:46 a.m. and this is how far I've gone, so I just have here the fronts to do. Good morning, almost done, and this is what it looks like so far. This is what I have left here, and this one I want to be done by today by 3 p.m. I really don't like how I'm doing this hair in front because I feel like I'm making it too tiny and my hair is quite scanty in front, which I don't like. Rather than make the extension tiny, I'll try to use a bigger extension. I have to add more fullness to it. See you when I'm done. I'm done and my sister is helping me cut my extension. While you cut the extension, make sure you have like a straight head and don't kind of bend your head, because you see now my braids are kind of uneven. That's because I was not keeping my head straight. I think I might have cut it a bit too low, but we're going to try to do something with it. When doing these dolly hairstyles, it's important to use this type of roller. I think it's got a Vickers roller, but it's this roller that has like a sticky bits to it. This is for your hair to stick to your roller, and I also got a big and smaller one. As you can see, the big one would not fit, so I'm using the smaller one instead. You also use a clip, not a bobby pin. A bobby pin will not hold your hair, okay? I feel so scared doing this hair because I'm not even sure if I'm doing it right. To get the curls of your dolly braids, it's important to roll your rollers outwards rather than inwards. This side is done. I'm going to do this off camera. Whenever you're using the hot water method, please make sure you wrap a towel around you. And what I did is I dipped the rollers in water and then I dried it, and I took the hair out of the rollers and then recurled it again. Honestly, I was just super paranoid about the curls. I was not sure if it was gonna work or not, but honestly, you don't need to do it like that. Just curl it and then leave it the way it is. Although I dip this in hot water, I also got my sister to help me dip it on hot water and to redo it because I feel like the hair keeps coming out from the rollers. So now I'm going to just semi-dry. I'm done and I'm going to sleep with this rod, and I'm going to take it down tomorrow when I'm going to work, and I'll show you guys the results. Morning. Let's take this down. So now we are going to do the big reveal. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, please. Okay. This should be what's in here. Yes. This is the Ruka Save Me serum. Okay. Time to take this out. Fuck yes. Cuties, take your time. Appreciate these curls. Appreciate this hairstyle. Wouldn't you want to try it? Give it a try. It's so adorable. So cuties, this is how you do the dolly braids. I hope you like it and you find this video useful. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and also comment down below what you think about the look, and if you have any questions to ask me, please do let me know. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.